Friends, today we are going to do entrepreneurial skills from employability skills of part A. First of all, we will learn who is an entrepreneur. A person who sets up a business or businesses taking on financial risk in the hope of profit. Or we can also say that entrepreneur creates organizations, they promote investment, increase production, and bring competitiveness in business, reduce cost of products, and raise the standard of living in the society. Now we will discuss why a person is thinking he can be a good entrepreneur. Why? Yes, due to its characteristics. Initiative. It is an inner urge in an individual to do or initiate something. Basically, he is an innovator who carries out new combinations of initiating the process of economic development. Seeking opportunity, he is always searching the opportunities to do something best. He always take advantages of business opportunities so he can raise the standard of his business. Information seeking. A successful entrepreneur always keeps his eyes and ears open so he can receive new ideas which can help in realizing his goals. They can very open to consult with experts and mentors to get the right guidance and advice. Persistence. He never disheartened by his failure and keeps trying, adopting, and iterating to overcome obstacles that come in the way of achieving goals. Concern for high quality. Successful entrepreneurs are seen not to be satisfied with moderate or average performance. They set high quality standards for themselves and then put in their best for achieving these standards. Commitment and efficiency. Entrepreneurs exhibit high level of commitment towards their work and decision. To achieve the success, they have to stay committed to their venture and their goals. They try to create methods that aim at making working easier, simpler, better and economical. Problem solving. Entrepreneur takes each problem as a challenge and put in best for finding out the most appropriate solution for the same. He understands the problem first, then he is making the strategy to deal with the problem. He is always so courageous to deal with different problems. As we discussed, initiative, seeking opportunity, commitment, and problem solving, many more characteristics of an entrepreneur. Same as we have systematic planning, self confidence, assertiveness, persuasiveness, effective strategies, effective monitoring, decisiveness, innovative, leadership, risk taker, learn from mistake, concern for employees' welfare. These all are the characteristics of an entrepreneur. He always keeps his future cause in his mind and accordingly he is planning his ventures. He never frightened from the difficulties because he knows his own abilities and strength. He is an assertive person who knows what to say, when to say, how to say, and whom to say. Persuasiveness means he is having the ability to convince anyone. This is one of the important quality of an entrepreneur. He is making the effective strategies and properly he is monitoring his company and the employees. He monitors that everything is carried out in their organization as per their decisions and he ensured the regular monitoring so that the goals of the organization are achieved in best possible manner. He is having the quality of decisiveness. That's why he is taking the accurate and quick decisions. He is innovative by nature. He is trying to make the new things because customers or clients, they always want something new. As we are going to market to purchase anything, we also prefer to try the new things instead of old things, because old things we have already tried many times. He is having the leadership quality. He know that how to take work done by other employees. This is one of the very important quality. We should know about that, how we will take work from others. Next, he is a risk taker, because in business we have to take the risk. That's why he is always ready to take the risk. He is learning from his mistake so that it cannot be repeated again. Along with all these qualities, he is very concerned for his employees welfare, because if he will think about the employees, then only employees will do the work properly. Definitely, they also think about the company, they also think about the boss, that if he is thinking or she is thinking a lot about them, then they should also think a lot about the company's welfare. Next is creativity. He is very creative person, because creativity helps to gain a competitive advantage, to keep business fresh, to challenge entrepreneur, to create excitement and a buzz, to motivate and stimulate active. Creative genius mindset. He is having creative and genius mindset, in which so many things are going on: action, process, different strategies, solution, possibilities, etc., etc., etc. Many things are going in his mind. Goal setting. Goal setting is also one of the important thing for an entrepreneur. He follow the rule of SMART. SMART, what is SMART? SMART is an acronym for steps of specific, measurable, attainable, realistic and timely goals. It is a very simple tool used by the businessman, because he knows that business goals and objectives do not get done when there is no time framework tied to the goal setting process. Every plan or project must follow a timeline. Maybe business goal is to increase revenue by 30% or 20%, or find a new clients or anything. Definitely we need a deadline. Deadline is required for each and everything. Now we will see the reasons for becoming an entrepreneur. He is so passionate about an idea or business. He make all the key decisions. He never leave the opportunities for greater financial success. He is innovative by nature. He want to be his own boss. He do not want to do work under anybody else. He is having the authority to chase the employees for his company. He is having patience and positive attitude towards the business. He can decide his working hours. He is motivating himself and other employees also to do the work properly. He always try the different creative things for the business. Now we will discuss what are the reasons why entrepreneur face the failure. Lack of planning. Many small businesses fail because of fundamental shortcomings in their business plannings. It must be realistic and based on accurate and current information, and educates projections for the future. Poor management, because businessman fails due to the poor management of the finance, purchasing, selling, production, and hiring and managing the employees. Insufficient capital. A common mistake for many failed businesses is having insufficient operating funds. Poor location. Location matters a lot for the business. Sometimes all the things in the business, it depends on the location. Maybe unfortunately you don't have the good location, due to that all the persons are unable to approach you. That's why businesses are failures. Over expansion. Sometime businessman is spreading his business quickly. He is not having enough money to expand his business. In that case, he has to see the face of the failure because he is unable to manage all the things. Poor marketing. Clever marketing is essential for the success of any business. In the digital time, we need the proper advertisement of our products, or we need the person who can convince to the clients. Barriers to entrepreneurship. As we already seen the reasons for the entrepreneur's failure, now we will discuss about these barriers. Unsupportive business environment, employee related difficulties, market and entry regulations, shortage of funds and resources, lack of entrepreneurship opportunities, lack of proper training, lack of technical and practical skills, difficult access to market skills, fear to failure, the fear of being wrong, fear of not being an expert. These all are the barriers of an in entrepreneurship life. Reasons why entrepreneur get success. They always think about success. They stay positive even during difficult times. They are passionate for their work. They always focus on their strategies rather than worry about their weaknesses. They fully believe in their goals. They are having the clear plan that how they will do the other things. Work hard. They are doing hard work on their projects, on their venture. They constantly look the ways to get something, to get it done. They show willingness to do anything, to learn anything. High levels of perseverance and faith. Extremely disciplined. They always show the discipline in their work or any another thing. They have to complete it on time. They are having the good team. They are trying even to make a good team for their business, so they will get the ambitious persons to work for their company. Components of a business plan. Executive summary. It provides a brief and quick summary and overview of entrepreneur business plan, covering all the key aspects such as the problems for the business solution, for the problem target, etc. Opportunity. Entrepreneurs are trying to grab each and every opportunity, maybe that is related to market trends, target market, or market growth, anything. He will think about for all the products and services of the company. Also he think how he will arrange or sales for the for his products launch, how the marketing will be done, which type of advertisement he should follow for his new venture, what is his target from the new project, which type of employee or team he need for that, and what are his financial plans for the new projects. At the end, this is the list of top 10 entrepreneurs in India who managed their organizations properly, grab all the opportunities, and how they are flying high in their careers. Thanks.